Hi, I'm Ruth Creek. I'm the tutor coordinator for Northland Pioneer College. We're going to be talking about the difference between the tutoring program and the services provided by the Tech Hub. So one of the services that NPC offers students is the Technology Hub Assistance Center. Students who need help with technology can go to the Tech Hub. The lab aides there will help students if they're having trouble with Zoom and WebEx connections, any problems that they're having with Moodle and MyNPC, as well as if they need to have their passwords reset. They can help students using Microsoft Office 365, as well as Google Suite, including their Google Drive and Google Docs. They also do the Respondus testing that some instructors use for online testing, as well as helping students who need help using the library database off the computer. They also have a calendar which shows the different locations, for example, Holbrook or Show Low or Winslow, the room number that the Tech Hub is in, the days that they're open, as well as the hours. They also provide virtual assistance via email at techhub@npc.edu. You can email also for an appointment via Zoom. Tutoring is a bit different than the Tech Hub. Tutoring provides services in most of the academic courses that we have here at NPC. The purpose of tutoring is to help students understanding their assignments, concepts and ideas, to help improve study skills, prepare for the tests that students may need to take, and also to help prevent from falling behind in course. We have online tutoring 24/7 through tutor.com. We also provide local face-to-face tutor labs at each location, study group sessions, and one-on-one tutoring. Also broadcast to different locations through NPC's system of connected classrooms. No matter where you're at, you can get help. Tutoring is available to students during any semester. You do have to be enrolled as a student. You can attend at any location, at any time that's going to work for your schedule. We are making a change to the scheduling of first week of classes and continues up through finals in any given semester. There is a schedule of tutoring that's available that is on the npc.edu/tutoring website. This schedule is going to be updated in the near future to be a link to a calendar, but it does give what topic tutoring is available, what location, the times for the tutoring, and also tutors who use WebEx to tutor at a distance, so you can attend tutoring from home, and the link and the password is also included on the calendar. If anybody has any questions, or if you want to become a tutor, contact me, Ruth Creek, 928-524-7367, or at my email, ruth.creek@npc.edu.